Elevated comfort eliminates the discomfort of sleeping on rough or cold ground. Built to last, strong crossbar steel frame. Supports, up to 300 pounds. Max height, 6 feet 2 inches. Dimensions, 73 by 35 by 17 inches. Portable, folds to fit in most car trunks. 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. I hated that the cot took up so much space and I had had many cots, primarily folding ones. I started with a regular plywood powder-coated iron frame folding legs cot, then a fabindia single futon, then a folding cot which had thin mattress attached onto it. All of these had their own issues. The biggest one was, once you own it, you have to dedicate some amount of physical space to it. As I progressively moved into smaller and smaller rentals, I hated that the cot took up so much space and it was so hard to clean the floors underneath it. I sold off all my cots and started sleeping on the floor and loved it, until winter came. While sleeping on the floor with a chat-eye/grass mat, a quilt and an electric blanket is still great, for the sole and the back, I wanted something which didn't occupy any floor space when folded up but served nicely just as a day bed when set up. Some days when one is sick, and often low on energy, setting up the floor bed is cumbersome. This arrived as a perfect solution to all my requirements. Setting up was not particularly difficult, had to refer to a YouTube video, and it feels great. Also please note that I'm less than 50 kilograms so the cot takes my weight really well.